Good afternoon. Hope everyone is safe and well. My name is Brenda Torres. I'm the San Diego Promise Program Coordinator at San Diego City College. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of completing and submitting your San Diego Promise Program application. So we're going to start by searching for SD City Promise. So on our search results, we're going to see that we're going to find the one that says San Diego Promise at San Diego City College. So we're going to click that, and it's going to take us to the San Diego City College website. Then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to notice that we have 4 steps that are required to complete in order to receive priority consideration and admission to our program. So step number 1 is to apply for admissions at San Diego City College. Step number 2 is to complete your 2020-2021 FAFSA or DREAM Act application. Step number 3 is to complete the San Diego Promise Program application. And to complete the Promise Program application, you're going to click in the link to apply. So let's do it. At the beginning of the application, we're going to notice that we have a welcome message that includes information about the program, as well as additional information on how to contact us. So please pay attention to that. So then we're going to move to complete the questions that are required. So first, we're going to put our email address. Then we're going to confirm our email address. We're going to put our last name, our first name, our date of birth, our student ID number. Please, I would like to emphasize that your student ID number is not your high school ID number. It's your college ID number that it was provided to you via email when you apply for admissions to San Diego City College, Miramar, or Mesa. All right. Then we're going to put our phone number because we want to make sure if the Promise Program have any questions, they had a good number where they can reach us at. Hit next. Then the Promise Program is going to ask you a few more questions. So the first one reads, I graduate or I will graduate from high school or complete high school equivalency, HiSET or GED. So select yes or no. What high school did you attended? And then the next question reads, have you completed any college classes? In this case, I completed college classes while I was in high school. So I'm going to select yes. I completed college classes while I was in high school. Make sure that you don't select, yes, I completed college classes after receiving my high school diploma like me. Make sure that you always select the correct one. And then select your campus of interest. In this case, for me, I'm interested in San Diego City College, so I'm going to select that. And I'm going to hit next. And then the next question asks me if I would like to receive any information on any of the following programs. So in this case, I would like to know what first year services is, EOPS, DSPS, Puente Numoja. And I hit next. And then it asks me if I completed and submitted my financial aid application or DREAM Act. So I'm going to select yes. And then next. And then the next question asks me for my FAFSA or DREAM Act application confirmation number. So when you apply for FAFSA, you receive an email, a confirmation page that it has a confirmation number. So I'm going to look for mine. And it looks like that. It's FAFSA confirmation page email. And notice the confirmation number, it starts with a letter. So I'm going to copy that. I don't need to copy the date that I apply all the time, just that. And then I'm going to go back to my application. And then I'm going to paste that. All right. And then it's going to ask me, while you were in high school, did you take a college class through the college and career pathways? In this case, for me, it was yes. Are you foster youth or you were at any time in the foster care system? No. Are you a veteran? Are you an undocumented student? Are you formerly incarcerated? Would you like to receive text message reminders about the San Diego Promise? Yes. And then I'm going to select next. And then it's important that you read that disclosure because it states that by checking the box below, I understand that submitting this application does not guarantee acceptance into the program. And that my responses will only be used to determine eligibility. So you're going to select yes, you understand, and you hit submit. And that's it. This is your confirmation that you apply to the San Diego Promise program. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. You can email us at sdpromisecity@sdccd.edu. Thank you for watching.